Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you are new here then thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video I am sharing with you a super relaxing evening routine. So it is summer but it does not feel like it here in the UK, so I am sharing with you exactly what I do on the evenings when it is really dull and dark outside and I want to get comfy and snuggled up. So the first thing I like to do to get it all nice and cozy is to light all my candles. I go around switching on my fake candles and I light my wax melts just to get the house smelling really lovely. I also put the fire on. Now it is not cold enough to have the heat on the fire, so I tend to just have the lights on, and as you can see Rudy is super cozy, snuggled up in a throw. Now next I am just preparing tea. So we normally eat together, but this particular evening we didn't. The kids have already had their food and this was something that I knew they weren't going to eat. So I waited for Peter to come in from work and prepared this for me and him. So it is honey and mustard chicken with tender stem broccoli and homemade potato wedges, and it was really delicious. So what we tend to do is have it in front of the TV on the sofa. It's not very often that me and him would go and sit at the table, to be honest. And as you can see, what normally happens is he eats and I chew his ear off after not seeing him all day.
It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
So next I am just giving the kitchen a good clean after all that cooking, and then on to my favourite part of the evening, which is taking Rudy out for a walk. We are really fortunate to live next to some lovely places to walk him, so I just love this. I find it so relaxing and it really clears my head. I love taking him out.
Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
When we get home it is the kids' bedtime. So this particular evening Peter was on bedtime duty, which meant that I could run my bubble bath. I lit all my candles, which I love doing, and I have this gorgeous banana popcorn bath slab that I got from ASOS, and this smells so nice. It is definitely worth getting. I absolutely love Lush bath bombs, but obviously I haven't been, so this was definitely the next best thing.
Could feel it in my bones. There was something going on, that shade of doubt hanging around that old.
So next I'm going to take off my makeup, which is my favourite part of the day. I had a lot on this particular day. I don't wear that much anymore, but I am using my lumispa to take off my makeup, which is my absolute favourite little gadget. It is brilliant, honestly. I will link it below. It takes off all your makeup, it exfoliates your face. It is a really good little device. I can do an in-depth skincare video if anyone would be interested in learning a little bit more about this product, but honestly it is brilliant and you can use it every day. I'm then just going to use some micellar water just to take off my eye makeup. I had waterproof eye makeup on that particular day, so it was an absolute pain to get off. Like I say, I'm much more about the makeup free life lately, which has been really good for my skin. And then I am just using the New Skin facial peel and neutralizer. This again is another brilliant product. I use this a couple of times a week and it is a mini facial peel. So I use the first pads, which you leave on for about 10 minutes, and then go on with the neutralizer to take it off, and then I'm just putting on a little bit of moisturizer, and then it is time to hop in the bath. And I also picked up this body scrub from ASOS, which smells beautiful. Honestly, it is so nice. And I am all set with my book, my trashy novel. That is just something that I picked up. I love these kind of romantic literatures that are just easy reading. And my big glass of Pepsi Max, which is like a glass of wine to me, so I can just chill out and relax in my lovely bubble bath. Once I am out, I use this Paradise Glossed Soap and Glory body oil spray. This smells so good, so I love to use some of that when I get out the bath, just to soften up my skin. I then also picked up this recently, which is a gold peel off face mask, and it also comes with a cleanser. So I'm just going to try the cleanser out and go back over my skin again, just to double cleanse, and back in with the lumispa.
You say that something's got,
and then just painting on this lovely face mask, which is a nice gold colour. Next, it is onto my pyjamas. I love these pyjamas. I think I got them from Pretty Little Thing.
And wait for better days. I think we must push through the grey.
And then my slippers that I got recently are from ASOS. And now it is time to take off the mountain of pillows that I keep on the bed, and I just stack them all to one side. And I am just going to spray on some of this Avon pillow spray that is gorgeous smelling. It smells of lavender, and I am really a big fan of using that at the moment. So once I have got my glass of water and my face mask is just drying, I get into bed and write my list for the next day. I like to write out any to-dos that I've got to do, just things at life admin. I just go over anything that we need to get organised for the next day. I also have a good look through my phone. That's when I sort of have a look through my Instagram, find a comment, that sort of thing.
Closer than the wind. Let me be the orchid. Oh, have me every second in. We'll be the orchid.
Now it's about time to take that face mask off. So it was one of those lovely peely ones. It was actually a little bit painful, to be honest, but my skin felt super soft afterwards. And then just to moisturize it, I've got this little sample. I've got a few of these little Estee Lauder Night Repair Serum, which I have loved, so I might have to invest in a bigger bottle. Take my hair down, spray with some of this Victoria's Secret body spray, and then me and Peter have been watching the brilliant series on Netflix called The Sinners. So that is exactly what we are going to snuggle up and watch. We have been binge watching it. Honestly guys, if you haven't watched it, then definitely watch it. And that is going to conclude this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, it would be really lovely if you could give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, then hit the subscribe button, and I will see you again in my next video guys. Take care.